Hey guys, I welcome you to NEET World. So in this session, we are going to see particularly about the JEE Mains PYQs for the physics. Okay, so let us start with the questions where we left in the last session. I guess, yes. Yeah, this was the question we completed in the last session, right? So the next question is, yeah, a particle starts moving with a constant acceleration and covers a distance x in first t seconds. The distance travelled by it in next 2t seconds they are asking. So initially what they are saying, where's the pen? Yeah. Okay. So a particle starts moving with constant acceleration. So constant acceleration in the sense I can use the equations now. V is equals to u plus at, v square minus u square equals to 2as, and then s is equals to ut plus of at square. This equation I can use, right? So starts moving in the sense u will be equals to 0, right? So acceleration covers a distance x. So initially they are saying that at the time t is equals to t seconds. No, t1 I will take, t1 is equals to t seconds. That means and the next 2t seconds they are asking. So t1 is equals to t, distance is equals to x. Okay, what about at time next 2t seconds? No, next 2t seconds. At time next 2t seconds in the sense t2 will be equals to t plus 2t. Okay, so initially they have covered t seconds and they are saying that next 2t seconds. So it is t plus 2t, which is nothing but 3t. Okay, so the distance is, okay, I need to find the distance. How much distance I need to find? So the distance I need to find here. Okay, now I can use the equation, no, like the final velocity I don't know, no need to use the second equation, the first equation, and this third equation I can use. So s will be equals to ut plus of at square, where u is equals to 0 of at square. So x will be equals to 0 plus of a t square. Okay, so from this a will be equals to, I will write a will be equals to, what will be the answer? 2x by t square, 2x by t square. I will keep the a as it is. Now what they are asking, how much distance it has been covered in next 3t seconds, no, next 3t seconds. So what I should do? So the distance I should keep as it is. Again it is initial velocity is 0 of into this s, I will keep s2 of into, what is a here? 2x by t square into t square. So t square and t square will get cancelled, right? And then x and x will get cancelled, is it? Yeah, this is t square, no. So t in the sense 3t, no, 3t the whole square. Okay, so t square and t square will get cancelled, x and x will get cancelled. 3 square is 9, so 9x I will get. Okay, so s2 distance is 9x and initial distance is x. So what will be the distance between both of them? 9x minus x, which is nothing but 8x. This is the answer. So what is the option? Option A is the answer. I hope you understood the question, na? We'll go for the next question. We'll go for the next question. If the position vector of a particle at time t is r is equals to 3t I cap plus 8 minus 4t j cap. So a particle is moving with a constant velocity in the straight line, particle is moving with a variable velocity in a straight line, particle is moving in a parabolic path, particle is at rest. So moving with the velocity they are asking, no. So they have given about, they are talking about the position of a particle. So if I differentiate them, I will get the velocity, right? If I first differentiate, I will get the velocity, second differentiation I will get the acceleration. Okay. Now what can I do for this question? So this is my position vector. If I differentiate this, no, so V will be equals to dr by dt, which is nothing but 3t I cap, no, so 3 I cap I will get 3 I cap. So this thing, no, this 8 minus 4t j cap, so 8 j cap minus 4t j cap, I will get minus 4 j cap, because if I differentiate constant I will get 0, 4t I will get 4. So what will be the velocity? So velocity is constant in both magnitude and direction, right? If t is there, I can say it's a variable. So if I take the magnitude for this, 9 plus 16 under root, which is nothing but under root of 25, which is equals to 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. So particle is moving with a constant velocity in a straight line. This is the answer. Hi Shivam, hello. Can we go for the next question? I hope you got it, na? Like I need to differentiate, that's it. So ball thrown in a air follows a path given by y is equals to x by root 3 minus 3g by 8 x square meter, where the x axis is along the horizontal and y axis is the vertical. Yeah. So the maximum displacement along x direction for the given displacement along y is 0. So what should I do? Like they have said that y is 0. So directly I can substitute y is equals to 0 in this equation. I can get the x value, no? They are asking about x. Can you give the answer for this question? Whoever watching in online, na? You can give answer in the comment boxes. See, simply I can write the equation y is equals to x by root 3 minus 3g by 8 x square, where y is equals to 0. So 0 is equals to x by root 3 minus 3g by 8 x square. Okay, so where 3g by 8 x square should be equals to x by root 3. X and x will get cancelled. From this I need to find what is x. That's the answer for this question. So simply I need to substitute the value of y is equals to 0 in the equation. I will need to get the value of x. So this is the maximum displacement along the x direction, I can say. We'll go for the next question. Swapnil Sir, Jadavpur mechanical versus NIT Durgapur mechanical. Yeah, I'll let you know, Swapnil. Let me see what's the difference between them. Yeah. We'll go for the next question. So particle moves in xy plane with a velocity Vx is equals to 8t minus 2, Vy is equals to 2. It passes through the point x is equals to 14, y is equals to 4 at t is equals to 2 seconds. The equation of the path. So they are asking about the equation of the path in x and y, right? So what should I do in this? First of all, I need to get the value of x and value of y, like they have given in the velocities. So what should I do? I need to integrate it, right? So the method is, yeah, so position, velocity, acceleration. So this is the direction of differentiation and this is the direction of integration. No. So from velocity to position, if I need to get, I need to integrate it. So what should I do for this? So integral 8t minus 2, 8t minus 2 should be equals to x, right? So what is 8t integration? 8t square by 2, right? Minus 2t plus c should be equals to x. So why I am adding c? If I integrate any equation, the constant will be added, right? So here 2's are and this 4's are. So the final equation will be x is equals to 4t square minus 2t plus c. Now what they are saying, x is equals to 14 at 2 seconds, x is equals to 14 at t is equals to 2. So substitute the values and get the value of c here. So 14 is equals to 4 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus c, right? So 2 square is 4, 4 4's are 16, right? So 14 is equals to 16 minus 4 plus c, right? So 16 minus 4 is 12, 14 minus 12 is 2. So c will be equals to 2. Keep it as it is. Keep it as it is. So you can substitute the value of c here. Keep as it is this one. This is for the x. And for the y, see Vy is equals to 2. No, if I integrate it, I will get y is equals to 2t plus c dash. So for this I have taken c and for this c dash. So some other constant. No. So at y is equals to 4 at t is equals to 2 seconds. So substitute the values. 4 is equals to 2 into 2 plus c dash, where c dash will be equals to 0. Okay. So this is the value of c dash and c. Now substitute it here. You will get x will be equals to 4t square minus 2t plus 2. And for this y is equals to 2t, right? So take t is equals to y by 2. T is equals to y by 2 and substitute the value here. Substitute the value. You will get the equation in terms of x and y. I need the equations in terms of x and y. No, like they are asking about equation of path. Equations of path. So you can know, you have noted this na, x is equals to 4t square minus 2t plus c, where if I substitute x is equals to 14 at t is equals to 2 seconds, c will be 2, the constant will be 2. So substitute the constant, I have written the equation here. So yeah, the next step is I need to substitute the value of t is equals to y by 2. So x is equals to 4 y by 2 the whole square minus 2 into y by 2 plus 2, right now. So what I will get? So y square by 4, no. So 4 into y square by 4 minus 2 will get cancelled, minus y plus 2. So where this 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So x will be equals to y square minus y plus 2. This is the equation of path of the given question. So x is equals to y square minus y plus 2. Yeah, option A is the correct answer. Can we go for the next question? I hope you understood the question, na? Okay. The next question is, a boy throws a ball in a train moving at 18 km per hour with a velocity of 15√2 meter per second at an angle of 45 degree to the horizontal. The angle with which it strikes the plane of a projection with respect to an observer on the road is. Okay. So, a boy has been thrown the ball, right, it is with a velocity 15√2 meter per second, but what they are saying, a train is moving with, the train is moving with 18 km per hour. So, what should I do now? So, this is kilometer per hour and this meter per second. First, I need to convert every terms in same units, na? I need to convert every terms in same units. So, what should I do? For train, velocity of a train should be equals to 18 kilometer per hour, which is nothing but 18 into 5 by 18, no, meter per second, right, meter per second. So, what is kilometer, no, kilometer per hour, which is nothing but meter per second, no, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, right. So, 60 into 60, 3600. So, what I will get? 2 zeros and 2 zeros will get cancelled. This is 5 times and this is 18 times. So, this is 5 by 18. Okay. So, kilometer per hour to meter per second, it is 5 by 18. Okay. So, multiply it, you will get 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. Okay. Now, what they are saying, velocity 15√2 meter per second at an angle of 45 degree. So, what should I do? Vx is equals to, right, Vx is equals to V cos 45 degree, which is nothing but 15√2 into 1 by root 2, no, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled, it is 15. So, what about Vy? Vy should be equals to 15√2 sin 45 degree. So, sin 45 is again root 2. So, 15√2 into 1 by root 2, which is nothing but root 2 will get cancelled, it is 15. Now, one more thing you note here. So, a ball, this ball is there, no, I have thrown with an angle 45 degree, Vx is there and V train, like velocity of a train in the same direction, Vx is also in the same direction. What should I do? Add both of them, no, add both of them and then Vy I no need to add it, right. So, the velocity is going like this, one more velocity is like this, Vx and Vy. So, what should I do? Tan theta should be equals to Vy by Vx, na. This is the formula we know. But one more thing, Vx should be added with the V train. What I will get? So, this is 15 by 15 plus 5, 20. Okay. So, this is 3 sir and this is 4 times. So, 3 by 4. So, what will be the angle? Tan theta will be equals to tan inverse of 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. But they have given 45 degree, 60 degree, 37 degree and none of this. Which of the correct option? Which is the correct option in this? Yeah. So, simple thing, take 3, 4, 5 triangle. So, angle will be 53 degree, this is 37 degree and this is 90 degree, right. So, which is the highest number? 5. So, this is 3 and this is 4. Okay. 3 by 4 they are asking, no, 3 by 4. So, opposite by adjacent, no, opposite by adjacent. So, which is 37 degree. So, 37 is the correct answer. We'll go for the next question. Okay. The velocity vector of a particle moving over a horizontal plane is given by v is equals to 2t I cap, the ratio of the magnitude of instantaneous acceleration at t is equals to 2 seconds, the magnitude of displacement during the interval of the first 2 seconds. Okay, they are asking about the ratios between the acceleration and the displacement, right? So v is given. If I need to get acceleration, differentiate it. If I need to get displacement, integrate it. So this is the way to get displacement and this is the way to get acceleration, right? This is the velocity. So this is integration and this is differentiation. So if I differentiate this, what I will get? A will be equals to 2. Keep as it is. Now what is the displacement they are asking? Displacement for the first 2 seconds, right? So 0 to 2 seconds. So it is 2t square by 2, right? So x will be equals to 2t square by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So from where to where they are asking? 0 to 2, right? So t square should be from 0 to 2, where it is 4 minus 0, which is nothing but 4. So displacement is 4, acceleration is 2. So what they are asking? So they are asking acceleration to displacement, the ratios they are asking, na? So what is acceleration? 2, displacement is 4, so it is 1 by 2. So given options are 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 5 by 4, cannot be determined. So there is no option, no option of 1 by 2, na? So you can mark the option 4. They are asking about the ratio of magnitude of instantaneous acceleration at t is equals to 2. So if I differentiate this one now, I will get 2. So it's a constant acceleration to the magnitude of a displacement during the interval of first 2 seconds. That's it. Can we go for the next question? Okay. The next question is, a car accelerates from rest at 2 meter per second square for some time, then retards at 4 meter per second square and comes to rest. The total motion duration is 3 seconds. Okay. They are saying that the total motion duration is 3 seconds. So when I take now, like v1 will be equals to a1 t1, right? Acceleration of the first instant with t1, that is, let me write it here. So total duration. So this is for